Let's talk about accuracy. So what's accuracy? Accuracy is a measure of how close a measurement is to have the true value of the quantity being measured. Freedom from mistake or error is nothing but the quality or state of being accurate, which is nothing but the ability to work or perform without making mistakes. So if the work is performed without doing any mistakes, then it is said to be accurate. So let's see about precision. Precision is nothing but a measure of how close a series of measurements are to one another. This is actually a measure of how exact a measurement is all about done. You can see here an example of depiction. A girl is measuring some kind of series of measurements over here. And this is nothing but an example of a fuel pump which is measuring with the help of hydraulic piston and the spindle drive in order to get the precise measurement. When to use the scientific notation? So for this question, the answer will be in terms of astronomically large numbers like mass of the planets, distance between stars. So in these areas we can use the scientific notation. And on the other side, for which is very infinite count numbers, size of atoms, protons and electrons. So these are the areas where we can able to use the scientific notation. Let's talk about vector and scalar. Vector is nothing but having a magnitude and direction. Example for vector quantity is displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, impulse, torque, etc. Scalar is nothing but having only magnitude. Example, distance, speed, time, mass, temperature, current, charge, potential are some of the examples of scalar quantity. You can see here an example of adding some 5 vectors. Thank you from GTech family.